आज हम लोग देखेंगे 15th सेंचुरी का फीचर्स ऑफ 15th सेंचुरी लिटरेचर। फॉर द होल ऑफ यूरोप इट वाज ए पीरियड ऑफ अनरेस्ट। जेम्स वन जेम्स वन king of Scotland was in 1406 captured by the English and detained for 18 years. Detained for 18 years. Returning to Scotland in 1424, he ascended the throne of Scotland and once again began to avenge himself on the nobles who had kept him in retentions. In 1433, he was murdered by a band of conspirators. Martin Luther was the hero of Reformation in Europe. Cons- Constantinople, the seat of Greek and Latin learning, fell under the attack of the Turks in 1453. The Greek Latin scholars fled the city, carrying the learning of Greece and Rome with them. The event led to the revival of learning in Europe, which established a new era in Europe. Constantinople was the capital of Byzantium Empire. Constantinople was the capital of Byzantium Empire. Hundred Years' War of France and Britannia took place between 1338 to 1453. The War of Roses. There was a distracting political conflict which culminated in the 30 Years' struggle for power for 1455 to 1485. The conflict was between House of York and House of Lancaster. This struggle is called the War of Roses because the badge of Lancaster was red rose and the badge of York was white rose. This is also called Civil War. In this war, many of the great models were killed, and the world creator of feudalism comes to an end. In conclusion, it gives England the Tudor dynasty from Henry VII in 1485 to Queen Elizabeth 1603. The Jack Cats Rebellion 1450. The Jack Cats Rebellion 1450. Jack Cade, an Irishman, started a protest against maladministration in 1450. He led an insurrection of 15,000 men against London. The insurrection was surpassed by an armed forces, and he was selling. He is like Wat Taylor, the leader of the peasant revolt in 1381. Every man is morality play by an anonymous writer appeared in 1510. Anonymous writer appeared in 1510. Printing William Causton introduced printing in London in 1476. He translated, printed, and published a large number of books in London dialect. Political condition. Political condition. At this time, England had a bare Frisians and civil wars as well. Henry V, who succeeded Henry IV, gained success against France at the Battle of Agnicourt in 1415 and became a national hero. But he died soon at the age of 35, leaving behind a 9-month-old baby as Henry VI, who was declared the King of England and France. Duke of Bedford became the regent in France and Duke of Gloucester in England as Henry VI was a baby and not able to rule. Bedford had encountered the rising nationalism in France, headed by French peasant girls Joan of Arc, who succeeded triumph for French army. The English army, however, captured her and burned her as witch at Rouen. The English rule comes to an end in 1436 and French king took regents to their country. This period is also called Barren period by W. H. Auden, William Herbert Auden. Ballads was the most familiar writing genre in 15th century. James of Scotland, 1394 to 1437, tells in the King's Square his love for the Lady Jane Beaufort, the Duke of Somerset daughter. William Dunbar's 1465-1530 graceful allegorical poem, The Thistle and the Rose, 1503, is composed to commemorate the marriage of James IV of Scotland and Margaret, daughter of Henry VII of England. The best known ballad of Dunbar is Dance of the Seven Deadly Sins. Robert Burton's Anatomy of Melancholy, 1621, and the Cult of Melancholy writers were writing books of humoral psychology during this period. After fall of Constantinople in 1453, Renaissance in England started. यहाँ से देखिए रॉबर्ट बर्न्स एंटोनमी ऑफ मेलंकली 1621 and other cult of melancholy writers were writing books on humoral sociology during this period. After fall of Constantinople in 1553, Renaissance in England started. During Renaissance period, poetry, drama, and sonnet were the important genre. During Renaissance period, poetry, drama, or sonnet were important genre. Humanism and Reformation are the two important movements of 15th century. Humanism and Reformation are two important movements of 15th century. The Castle of Perseverance is the earliest morality play in 15th century. Written in 15th century. पर्सी फोलियो 15th century के अंदर इट इज ए मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट इन मिड 17th century handwriting which belonged to Humphrey Pitt to of Siphonal, the most important sources of your ballad literature and the basis of Francis Child's 1825 to 1896 collection. It was the sources of ballads included in Thomas Percy Relics. It also contained the 14th century alternative allegorical poem Death and Life, modeled on Piers the Poloman and a Scottish Field. Percy Society. It was founded in 1840 by Thomas Capton Corker अलेक्जेंडर डेसी, जेम्स हेलीवेल फिलिप्स, जॉन फेनी कोलर. The society was founded for the purpose of publishing old English lyric and ballads. It was named in honor of Thomas Percy. ठीक है, ये हम लोग का था फीचर्स ऑफ 15th सेंचुरी. 15th सेंचुरी का फीचर्स हम लोग देख लिए. ठीक है. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.